My name is Victor Tobi. I'm a passionate Python developer. In my years of experience, I've worked as a front-end developer with Plugstuck, and I'm currently working as a backend developer, making secure server applications with Django. The tech industry is the new oil and gas industry financially, and there's still a lot of space available, especially for you. As a bonus, you get to mingle and work with people from different backgrounds, cultures, and countries entirely. You can look around and see that everything is tech-based nowadays. The prospects of this industry is limitless. Within 8 weeks, I will teach you how to make your dreams come to life through code, how to solve complex problems, and how to make a functional website with the Django backend framework. The training will be the definition of practical learning. You will make a responsive website during this training, among other numerous projects. All you need is a creative mind, and the sky will be your limit. We can't wait to have you. See you soon. Thank you.